Happy morning BNI. Myself Gitesh Tibrewal from Logic Fusion Private Limited. We are in computer IT solution business for last 29 years now. We started from 1992. BNI Isha was launched in April 2017. I was the chartered president and I served as chartered president for 2 terms. We started off from 25th April 2017 with 35 strong members. My category in BNI Isha is Computer IT Solutions. Why we call it Computer IT Solutions? Because we are into computer hardware, software and all kind of solutions which is required for the offices, factories, any kind of infrastructure, hotels or hospitals which come up in this entire region. Few of my friends from Calcutta were in BNI and I used to regularly hear the story of BNI and all the accolades from them, and I used to wonder when will we have BNI in Siliguri. One fine day I receive a call from our ED and he invites me for a coffee session at 7:30 to explain all about BNI. I said great, and then later on during the discussion I asked him that where do I need to come and sharp at what time. He says 7:30 AM in the morning, which was a kind of a shocker to me because 7:30 AM in the formals all suited up, and business meeting generally doesn't happen in Siliguri, and that too way back 4 years in 2017. I said fair enough, I accepted his invitation and I landed up at 7:30 AM sharp. When I enter the room, I see that already we have 10 to 12 young dynamic business tycoons of Siliguri already suited booted in the room, which was a kind of a kick to me that we have so many people who are ready to join, and that too at 7:30 AM in the morning. And then and there I made up my mind that okay, I'll be a part of this new launch story which is being going to written in Siliguri, and this is how my story and my journey in BNI Siliguri began. Last year, during June 2020, during the COVID pandemic, I received a call from a close relative of mine that a senior relative wanted an admission in one of the hospitals for a non-COVID related surgery. Keeping in view the age factor, somebody was required to stay with him to assist him, and keeping in view the COVID protocols, no one was being allowed by the hospital authorities to even enter the premises and meet the patients. Even outside food was not allowed. So I got in touch with few of my BNI friends in Calcutta, and within 10 to 15 minutes I received 7 to 8 calls, all asking that how can I help you. That itself was a great feeling. I explained them the entire story, and one of them said me that he'll get connected me to the CFO of the hospital whom he knows very well, and that he would arrange and sort out things. And he spoke to the CFO and he got back to me, and then I spoke to him. He said no worries, 9 AM in the morning he'll be at the hospital and he'll sort out the things for me. I said great, and next day morning, to my surprise, with the CFO, even the BNI member was present there, and he was there from 9 AM to 11 AM to ensure that everything was set right, and the senior relative who was supposed to get operated went well and everything went smoothly. That was a great feeling that gives me a nice satisfaction that BNI is not all about business, it is beyond business and way to go. everyone says visitors are very important in BNI. I used to wonder why is it so. One fine day in a BNI meeting, I bumped into a visitor who happened to be a close business associate of mine, and we used to do business some 20-25 years ago. But due to some reason or the other, we lost touch. And BNI helped me recollect all the old memories on how we got in touch and how we did business, and helped me re-establish the lost connection, and we ended up doing business of close to 20-25 lakhs, and we are still doing business. So again, I would say visitors are very important for BNI. It helps you grow your network with networking. BNI is one of the platforms which helps you in building relationships, which is one of the strongest core values of BNI. Be it 80 strong business members in my BNI Isha chapter or 250 strong members in our Siliguri region. Through BNI Connect, we can connect with 40,000 strong BNI members pan-India or 3 lakh plus members globally. You just need to search your BNI Connect and you can find the business connect which is required pan-India or globally. It not only helps you grow your business, it helps you in expanding your business exponentially. Thank you BNI for giving me the strong sets of fellow members who are not only ready to help me in any part of my business requirement, they are available at even 3 AM in the morning. BNI has taught us that it's all about networking, which helps you grow your own self and also elevate yourself to another level. Thank you for changing the way I do business.